Did you know why we yawn? Subscribe to my channel and I'll tell you. Let's go. Ever wonder why you're yawning in class or when your friend does it? Spoiler. It's not just boredom. Your brain's like, yo, I need oxygen. Yawning's a quick way to suck in air and cool your head. Yup, it's your brain's AC unit. But wait, there's more. Yawning might help regulate your brain's temp, keeping it chill for thinking. And why is it contagious? Blame mirror neurons. You see someone yawn, your brain's like, ooh, group yawn, party, mimics yawning. It's like social glue for humans. And even dogs yawn with us. Want to test it? Yawn now. Bet someone copies you. Wink. What's the weirdest place you've yawned? Comment below. Follow for more brainy fun.